So let's troubleshoot why a Sky device, this happens to be the Elite R55, it's not powering on. So let's go step by step in how I would address the phone not powering on. So the first thing I will do is I will double check that the phone can actually, let me zoom in there. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our charging port is not damaged. This one looks fine. It's just supposed to be a straight line across the opening. That one looks healthy. So let's rule that out for now. Let's just for comparison, let me find here's a charging port that is damaged. See, the prongs have been, they've come separated, and maybe the charger will still slide up on there, but it's obvious that that charging port has been damaged. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the actual charger works and sends power. So when we plugged it into the R55, and always align it up right. When we plugged it in so that it plugs in correctly, crisp insertion, stays, it's not loose, but we're not getting power. So we want to make sure that our cable and our box is good and solid. So what we do is we just get another phone that has a similar charging port, and we make sure that it charges another device. Okay, so this one, let's see, it turned the phone on. And let's make sure that it will actually send power. Yes, okay, so the charging cord and the base work in this phone. So far we've looked at the charging port and our charger. Now, in some of the budget phones, we're lucky because you can check the battery. So let's check the battery. So the way I like to remove many of these, especially the Sky brand, to take the back off, they leave this little indentation. Let's see if we can get it good. Yeah, there it is. So there's an indentation there that you can either use. Some people can have strong fingernails and they can just put their thumbnail in there and bend it this way. Some people like to do it this way, bend it with their fingernails this way. And if it hurts your fingernails, just get a marker with a straight edge, a 90-degree edge like this. Hold your phone about halfway, set it right in that little edge, and then press it open like this, and it'll get you started. And then you put your thumb right here to hold it open, and then get it the rest of the way open. Okay, so let's open this up and be thankful that Sky allows us to change batteries. So it just so happens that the Elite J55 is the same battery, so that's nice that Sky did that. So we'll do the same with this phone. We'll look for the little edge, push that, and the Elite J55 is now open, and we can check battery. So you're going to have to find a friend, a neighbor, or coworker with the same phone as you to be able to do this. So let's swap up batteries. Let's take out the battery that is not powering on, that we're suspicious of not powering on, and let's take out the J55 that we saw. It had 98% charge. Let's put it inside here, and because the buttons are in the case, we have to put the case back on. Let's line up the windows, press it all together, and then let's see what happens when we press the power button. Are we getting anything? Oh, and there we go. It's the battery. So that's how you troubleshoot your Elite R55 when you're having trouble getting power. So let's go through the steps one more time. Make sure that the charging port is not damaged. Make sure that your charger actually will charge something, find another device. And then if you have a coworker, friend, or family member with the same in the Sky brand, R55, J55 have the same battery, so if you know someone else with another Sky device, you can swap up batteries. And that is how you troubleshoot to see if your Sky device battery, or why your Sky device phone will not power on. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.